Step into the 2014 Honda Odyssey. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Honda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, a power rear cargo door, lane departure warning, removable floor console, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.